The reason number one why I prefer Filmora for video editing is multi-camera editing. This is the feature that you can use if you are editing your podcast, and it is handy if you want to edit your videos seamlessly without any effort. So let's see how it works. First of all, you need to import the images. You can click on this icon. Once you do so, you can select multiple videos that you can use for multi-camera editing. For example, these are the footages that I want to use for my multi-camera editing. So I will select all this footage and I will right click on this and I will click on create multi-camera clip. Once you do so, you can name it as it is or you want to change, that's your choice. And if you have audio in the video, you can use the audio. But for my method or for my videos, I do not have audio in my videos, so I will go with first frame. But if you have audio in all of your videos, you can go with the audio. It will try to combine the audio and it will create only one file, and you can use this file to match the audio with the video. So for now, let us go with the first frame and make sure auto create proxy files is marked as tick, and you need to click on OK. Once you do so, you will be seen with the overview, and once you're done, you need to click on this switch multi-camera view icon. And once you do so, you can adjust settings accordingly. And before editing, you need to play this option, or you can press the space on the keyboard. Once you do so, the video will start playing and you can click on the videos that you want to show at the specific time. You just need to click on the videos at the specific time and you will create multi-camera editing video very easily. You don't need to edit, crop, trim, delete, or adjust videos very hectically. So this is how you can create multi-camera editing videos in the Filmora. Alright fellas, so the reason number two why I prefer Filmora as a video editor is the planar tracking. You can track anything inside the video using the planar tracking feature. So let's see how it works. You can click on the import to import the footage. Once the video has been imported, you can drag it and drop it into the timeline. Once you have successfully imported the video, you can trim a specific part of this video. For example, let me quickly trim this video by clicking on this scissor icon. I will delete the first part. For the demonstration purpose, we can make the video as small as possible. So you need to select the video, you need to go to the AI tools, and you need to scroll down until you see the planar tracking. So we have two options here. We have the auto and the advanced. The auto will adjust the tracking automatically, but for the advanced you have to do some work and it is time consuming, and the results are way better than the auto. So let's go with the auto. Now you have the rectangle in the video. Now you can adjust the size of the tracking as you want. For example, this is the area that I want to track. So I will click on start. I want to track this rectangle inside the video. So I will click on start. Alright fellas, so once the tracking has been done, as you can see, the link element has been enabled and you can import some image from your computer that you can use inside this rectangle. And as you can see, this has been successfully placed into the video that I tracked using planar tracking. So I will play this video and you can see the results are way better. Now the next feature why I choose Filmora for the video editing is AI video enhancer. You can enhance your video quality like never before. So let's see how it works. First of all, you need to import the footage and drag it into the timeline to create a composition. As you can see, the video is of low quality. Now I can increase the quality using AI video enhancer tool. So I need to click on the video, I need to go to the AI tools and I need to select AI video enhancer. Now I need to click on generate. So as you can see, the results are pretty good and I am impressed by the video enhancer quality. So as you can see, this is the improved quality. And this is the quality that was before, that was bloody and in low quality. So in this way you can enhance your video qualities like never before. The reason number four why I choose Filmora as a video editor is because of the AI tools that it offers, which is called as lip sync. So once you have the video ready inside the composition, you can right click on the composition and you can go to AI translation tool. And once you right inside, we have two options here. We have translate voice as well as captions, and we have translate captions only. So it means that you can translate your voices even if you are speaking in other languages. So let us go with translate voice as well as captions. So the source language is the English and the target language is the Germany. So it means that I will convert the English to the Germany with the lip sync. So make sure the lip sync is marked as tick and auto match is also marked as tick. So let us click on translate. Alright fellas, so results are there and as you can see, it has generated the audio file as well as the captions, as you can see in the video. So it means that the expressions are also changed and the language is also changed to German from English. It is very handy if you want to convert your voice as well as your expressions using Filmora and using the power of AI. The reason number 5 why I chose Filmora as a video editor is AI voice enhancer. You can enhance your audios like never before. So as you can see, there are some voices, there are some noises, and there are some wind blowing inside the audio. So I will remove that. So for that, you need to click on your audio. You need to go to the audio, and inside the basics, you can find this AI voice enhancer tool. Keep the voice clarity at 100% and the voice beautification as well as 100%. You can adjust these settings according to your needs. If you want to further reduce the background noises, you can go to the denoise option, and there are plenty of options that you can experiment on your own. So there is a wind removal, normal denoise, de-reverb, hum removal, or hiss removal. There are many options that you can play around, and you can have your perfect audio inside the Filmora 14. Alright fellas, so the next feature I love the most is the reason number 6, and the feature is smart short clips. Using this technique, I can create shorts very easily from my long videos. So let's see how you can create shorts from your longer videos in no time. So once you launch the Filmora on your desktop, you will see the smart short clips in your projects. Once you click on this, it will navigate you to the smart short clips, and you can upload your videos or you can directly paste the link from the YouTube. It will fetch the video from the URL and you can create short videos from the longer videos, and the maximum file size is 12 GB. So if I double click on this, I will select this video, and now I will select the language. Which language do I need the short clips? This is the English. So the duration is also be maintained up to 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 180 seconds, or 300 seconds. So if I want to create a short clips, I can go with 30 seconds. That's fine. Adjust the themes accordingly according to your video. So I will click on auto for now. And for the templates, you can have the plenty of templates that you want to create longer videos into the short videos. Let us go with the technology products. And once you are done clips, you can click on generate. Alright fellas, so once your long videos has been converted into the smart short clips, you will see this interface, and it has generated 5 results. So as you can see, it also includes the title, the description, and the thumbnail, and the score, how it will perform on different channels. So in this way, you can create smart short clips from the longer videos using the power of AI in Filmora 14. And you have two options here. You can have the edit and you can export directly from the Filmora. If you click on edit, it will shift you to Filmora editing interface. And if you click on export, it will try to export the video directly. So let us click on edit. So as you can see, as soon as I click on edit, it has created me an interface where I can add, remove, or change anything I want. So this is very handy if you want to create multiple short clips from the longer videos. Alright fellas, so the next feature that I love is the reason number 7, and this is smart BGM generation. So if you are choosing the background music and you are confused whether you should choose a cinematic music or a horror music or a moody music, that is fine. Filmora has got your back. You can click on smart BGM generation once you launch the Filmora, and you need to click on this. So what it will do, it will try to analyze the content and it will generate the background music just like the way it is needed inside the video. So you can click on start. It will analyze the video content and it will generate the music or the audio automatically that aligns with the video. Alright fellas, so once the processing has been done, as you can see, it has automatically added the background music inside my video and it aligns perfectly with my video, and I am surprised to see the results. The reason number 8 why I love Filmora for the video editing is the smart scene cut. If you want to detect the transitions and trim the clips automatically, this feature is for you. You can click on this and you need to import the footage that you want to select. Now we need to specify the objects that we need to include inside the video. For example, this is the point of concern. So I will click on save. I also want to include these mountains and as well as the man inside the video clip. So for example, let us include the river too. You can drag and drop the positions that you want to include inside the video. So that's it. Let us click on start. Alright fellas, so as you can see, we have 3 options here: highlight scene, vector scene, or the custom objects. As you can see, all the objects have failed, so we can highlight this specific scene. This is the best area that Filmora can detect. This should be included inside the video. So this is how you can use the smart scene cut to include inside your videos like never before. For example, if you want to include all these clips, this is the first one, this is the first one, and this is the second one. So you can click on add all, it will add all the videos inside your timeline. So for example, if I click on add all, as you can see, two highlights have been created. So if you click on edit in main timeline, it will shift towards the Filmora timeline. So you can use this to edit or trim your videos effortlessly like never before. Alright fellas, so the reason number 9 why I chose Filmora for the video editing is the auto reframe feature. If you want to adjust the frames automatically using the videos without any effort, without editing the video, this feature is for you. You need to click on this, and once we are right inside, we need to import the footage. Now we can adjust the aspect ratio, 1:1 or 16:9. I will convert it to 1:1, for example. The motion speed should be auto. Now click on analyze. So as you can see, the 1:1 aspect ratio has been created and it is adjusted automatically according to the objects in the video. For example, let us go with 9:16 and analyze it again. And now you can see the auto reframe is trying to keep the man within the frame while he's moving, and it is very handy if you are editing your videos and trying to auto reframe the object inside the video. So if you like this, you can click on export directly or you can add to timeline. So let us click on add to timeline and keep everything as it is. It is exporting the auto reframe inside my timeline, and once it is done, we can see the results that are very good. Alright fellas, so using the power of AI, I have converted the simple video that is 1920 by 1080 into different aspect ratio and using the feature called as auto reframe. So you can use it inside the Filmora 14 and convert your videos like never before. Alright fellas, the last but not the least is the stock media integration. You can have the option here, stock media, that you can use inside the videos. You can have the your own customized files. You can use the AI image tool and you can enter the prompt. It will generate the picture that you can use inside your timeline. You can have the library where you have different kind of templates that you can use right inside the videos. There are plenty of these, and we have the partner here. You can use the pixels, you can use other third-party options to directly integrate the stock media right inside the video. And this is why I use Filmora 14 in 2025 and I prefer Filmora over other editing softwares.